So now everybody gets to see what I eat for lunch?
I mean,
just good news.
Is that really lunch though? It's just a kind bar.
I don't think so.
This is my second one though.
Okay.
That makes it lunch.
That's fair.
Along with the Diet Mountain Dew here.
Hey Thomas.
Hey, how are you doing, Justin?
Good. What's the case about today?
I got plenty, but case about today, we had a DUI that was in Maricopa. He pled to a charge of driving under the influence. He got the minimum terms, 1-day jail. He got his fines, his fees. It ended up being right around $1,800. That's pretty close to the minimum of anything you'll get in the courts here in Maricopa County. That one is in particular in Pinal County, so it's a little cheaper. Maricopa County runs around $2,000 in fines and stuff. So he has to do classes, he has to do the interlock on his car, has to deal with the MVD with the 8 points on his record.
Do you have to go in for like any court appearances with him, or is it just kind of like the standard?
No, you can ask for a hearing, but it has to be within 15 days of when they try to suspend your license. So usually it's when you get your ticket, you have 15 days to ask for a hearing. If you don't do it, then they won't give you a hearing.
Do you think he's going to, or no?
We did do a hearing on him, and we won that hearing.
Oh, nice.
So he had a year-long suspension. We ended up winning the hearing, and now he'll probably get a suspension, but it'll be less than 90 days.
Anything else you're up to today, or just kind of chilling?
You know what? Today's an office day.
Nice.
We'll be doing a lot of deviation requests. I'll be doing motions. Be doing a lot of different types of work with that stuff. So.
Alrighty, I'll let you get back to it.
Thank you.
Later.
Run it by Dana and I'll get back to you. So I just told him I'd get back.
I think tomorrow afternoon, I think I've got some slots. I'd like to keep the morning as open as possible, but I'd like to meet him too.
Okay, so can he, do you want to give him a call before then, or do you want to just say, hey,
Let's just
we'll
sit
just
down.
meet?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll tell him to go ahead and plan on coming in then, and I'll leave it at that.
Thanks. That sounds like a winner.
All right.
Don't you think that sounds like a winner?
Chicken dinner.
Touch it once?
Touch it once, be done with it.
Boom.
Gotcha.
So we're talking about a day in a life. This morning, got up, went straight away to Phoenix, and did a status conference for a client that's near and dear to my heart. A very, very strange case. The plea agreement on this matter is looking like it's going to be something that normally doesn't get, well, the judge had some serious issues with it because it went from a felony 2 to a probation offer, and that doesn't happen very often when firearms are involved and the police are involved. That said, it was a very rewarding morning. Coming back into here, I get to kind of reboot a little bit, gather a bunch of information of whatever's getting peppered at me. I'm about to hop into a meeting here in a minute with some new clients that have some issues of their own that need to be taken care of. The one thing that's sticking with me today, and this probably doesn't happen to me every day or very often. Oftentimes in my consults I tell certain clients, not all, that their lives are effectively in my hands, and I don't take that lightly. When my client today, knowing that she's not going to prison for a prolonged period of time, this morning hugged me because she couldn't help it and was crying, said that I knew that my life was in your hands and I'm so grateful I chose you. Those are the paydays. that's the reason why we do what we do.
It's not morning though.
It's like 2 in the afternoon.
Are you that slow waking up this morning?
No, I had other stuff I had to take care of today, so I figured I'd at least come in for a little bit. I hear that I've been back in. What's up?
I just wonder who's out there. Probably another client. Oh, I just had an awesome interview with, or a consult with a gal that was going through a rough time, and apparently I've got lunch waiting for me here.
I'm jealous. I haven't eaten today either.
Yeah?
At least you have a solid lunch today. Yesterday was the kind bar, as far as I remember.
Would you like one? I do have this.
I'm good. How many do you have?
I don't know. I think I have a box that's dwindling.
Just a surplus of kind bars whenever you need them.
But anyway, and then I got this interview or this consult, and it was wonderful. I love talking to folks that are just genuine. And some folks come in and posture, and they want to just pound their chest, and and it's therapeutic for them, and I kind of see right through that, but I kind of let that go a little bit because they need to feel heard. They want to feel like they can scream for a minute. This particular one was she's hated the fact that she had to come to an attorney's office, and here I am. I'm in an attorney's office. I'm going through a divorce, or I might go through a divorce. I don't know, but I'm here now.
Thomas.
What's up, Justin?
So they have she had a restraining order out against him, and he called her. He wasn't supposed to call her, but he didn't mean to call her. It was like a pocket dial, and it went to her voicemail, and it was just kind of music playing in the background for however long the thing goes.
Do we still have
27 times. Oh yeah, that's the only evidence we have.
Okay.
They want 2 years for that. Added to 2 years.
Is this just in the negotiation stage?
No, this has been going on for 6 months, and his public defender has been acting more like a prosecutor. You need to sign it. You did it. You just need to sign this and get it over with. Because you did this.
Are they just trying to get it off the table or something?
No, man. And she's a complete bee, man, because she will not talk to me. And she got all mad at him. This is what he's telling me. That when he talked to her on the phone, that because I tried to talk to her, you need to tell your attorney I'm not talking to him, and I'm calling the jail, and I'm telling him that this, and you're not gonna, graduate into the next tier. And I was like, why would a public defender be this bad?
What court is this out of?
Yeah, bye.
Yeah, by County Superior.
Oh, Superior. Oh, I do know who that is.
You know who?
Yeah.
And
She's
I'm getting all
you're
this.
gonna have to
I'm
edit
getting all
this
this.
out.
Well, he said
I
he's
will.
not doing audio.
I will.
Okay.
So as long as you don't give the bird.
No, she's.
Yeah.
Anyway, you're gonna have to put that thing down because I can't tell you when that thing.
Yep, no worries.
Okay.
Hey James. Hey, so I bought a micro SD for the GoPro camera we got. The other thing on there is just something I bought for myself, but that's what we're gonna put into the GoPro. I got that charged last night and all set up, and then we should be able to get that in Dana's truck sometime today when he gets back.
I think I guess I only ordered one of those in the beginning.
Mm-hmm.
So I ordered another one. It should be here today. So I don't know if you want to throw one up in the figure out where we can
like find a place to put it up in the office so we can do the
attach it
time lapse
in
one.
the reception, and then like probably what the process should be is like every day, we can teach the receptionist how to like pull it, pull the SD card, or I don't know how long it can go for. I don't know if it's gonna fill up in a day.
Yeah, it's probably only going to be live for like a couple hours.
Oh really?
Yeah, they have a pretty limited battery life. Okay, so Dana, it seems like the cameras aren't coming in today, so I think you guys are safe from doing the one-off videos. But yeah, whenever they do come in, we still have to do those, so just be ready.
I have to wear my makeup?
I think we'll I think we'll be good. We just need to. I think James wants me to get those out of the way just so we have them on the site. But I'll give you guys a heads up for the day so that it's not just.
So I can shave that said day?
Sure.
Sure. Yeah.
Or should I have some growth? What do you think?